Hello and welcome. We now look at a different way to control program flow in Python. Remember that previously we encountered if statement and for loop, and now we look at while loops. Remember that for for loops, we loop over a predefined list of items, and we know this sort of beforehand when we define the for loop. Like for example, we iterate over a dictionary or a range of numbers. In other cases, we may want to continue the execution until some sort of condition is met, and this we can do with a while. So the general syntax is we have while, then statement is true, colon, indented statement of what we want to execute, and then there's an optional else part where we might do something else. So how does this work? For example, we define a variable I, say I equals 0, and we say while I is less than or equal than 10, we print the value of I, and then we need to increase the value, for example, by a step size of 1. So we can execute this while loop and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, and then the while loop stops because the condition is no longer true once we reach the value of 11. And just with the for loops, we can hop out early with break or continue. Now, as an exercise, try and see what the effect is doing in different order of statements inside the loop. So if we move the I equal to 1, we start again with 0, then we can have the increment here, we can have the continue statement. Now as an exercise, move these around and see how the loop changes. As we will see, where we put which statement has an impact of how the loop is executed and how it behaves. So this is what we need to remember when we write the loop. You can see here the effect of a break statement, for example. Now as an exercise, rewrite the Fibonacci series as a while loop, terminating after the list is 10 elements long, or alternatively until the series arrives at the value of 34.